Hey everybody, I'm Elka and I'm here to tell you a little about entertainment, language, culture, and adventure in different spots of Brazil. Today we are in Diamantina, Minas Gerais. It is a historical town located in the central area of Minas Gerais, about 300 kilometers away from Belo Horizonte, the state capital. Founded in 1831, Diamantina's origins were linked to the discovery of diamonds in the region, which boosted its development and turned it into an important mining center. It is the beginning of the Estrada Real or Royal Road, the longest touristic and historical road in Brazil. There's a video about this road in my channel. Link is on the video description. Watch it to learn more. To this day, the city preserves a colonial architectural complex with mansions, churches, and cobbled streets that reflect its historical past. In recognition to its cultural and historical importance, Diamantina was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. Located in the Serra do Espinhaço, Diamantina has a geography marked by mountains, valleys, and rivers offering an exuberant natural landscape. The city has a high-altitude tropical climate with mild temperatures throughout the year and a rainy season concentrated in the summer months. These characteristics make the region suitable for ecotourism and outdoor activities. Examples of places to visit are Parque do Biribiri and Gruta do Salitre, whose links are also in the description. The city is now known for its cultural traditions and events, such as the Vesperata, when on selected weekends musicians perform from the balconies of historical mansions, creating a unique atmosphere. Other popular festivals include the street carnival and religious celebrations, which reinforce Diamantina's cultural identity. In its legacy, Diamantina is the birthplace of Juscelino Kubitschek, one of Brazil's most celebrated presidents, and home to Chica da Silva, a freed slave who became a symbol of social ascension in the colonial period, whose house we can visit and learn more about her life. I made a video about her and made it available in the description of this video. Enjoy it! I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more about Brazil's countryside with Elka. See you!